What's going on, everybody? Michael TV here, and today I'm going to do a short review on the Shorty GP exhaust on my Kawasaki Ninja 250. And the exhaust is made by Radiant Cycles. As you can see, their website is radiantcycles.com right there, and you get that little sticker once you receive the exhaust in the mail. Anyways, the exhaust was, well, I got it on Amazon for about $56, and I like it way better than the stock exhaust. Sorry, I can't speak English. Anyways, let's start it up. Got the blue. I like it. And now the bike, it hesitates. I got it for $1,200, and it has 28,000 miles on it. Yeah, it originally had 25 when I first bought it, but I got my fair share of miles in it. Anyways, let me stop talking and start it up. So yeah, super loud, and there's no such thing as being too loud. So yeah, I love it, and hopefully you enjoy this review, and hopefully it helped you figure out if you want to buy it.